Hello everybody, I'm Asin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change out a cabin air filter for a 2013 Honda Civic. The part number we will be using is 80292 SDA 407. Here we are at our glove box. Now we are going to access the cabin air filter. After opening the glove box, I'm going to be using just my hands to pull the left and right side to drop down the glove box door like this. I'm going to open up the air filter. Now I'm going to take the filter out. Make sure it says airflow. That's the front. That's the front too. And that was clean. And it's the same. It's the same airflow. And it says airflow right here. So that means it's the front. Now, we're going to put these back together. As you can see, that was pretty easy to do. When looking up the part number on Amazon.com, the cabin air filter for a 2013 Honda Civic can be found as low as $19. And if you're okay with using aftermarket parts, a replacement filter can be bought for as low as $7. Now, when looking at a random Honda dealership, I found the cost for a cabin air filter replacement to be as high as $70. That said, doing it yourself can save anywhere between $50 to $60 for 2 minutes of work. Well, if you have a 2013 Honda Civic, I hope you found this video useful. Until next time.